Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. So Wednesday, our market continues to rally. So as you all know, it's almost month end, and yun nga, window dressing is really, or at least quarter dressing, wherein they push our market higher to make it more attractive. Then after that sell off the past few weeks. So our market is up 110.74 points, or up 1.77% to close at 6,374.68. Value turnover improved to 6 billion pesos. So as you know, if we want the market to rally, we need to trade consistently around this volume, 6, 7, or even 8 billion pesos. During the times na mababa ang volume, the market isn't going anywhere. So everyone is on a wait and see mode, and especially there's a news article, Bloomberg article, wherein we're being cited, at least Philippines being cited. So foreigners have been, or at least foreign investors have been selling our market. So that's true. They've been fleeing outside the Philippines, and yung mga local investors naman are not doing anything. Wherein dapat nga the local investor should know more. So as you all know naman, although inflation is high, and BSP also signaled that they might continue rate hike or even an off-cycle rate hike unannounced. So that's a very hawkish move by BSP Governor Remolona. So traders went for another round of bargain hunting ahead of the release of the index changes. So no umaga, choppy session before closing towards the end. So AEV, ASM, BDO, Wilcon, Monde. Of course, Monde, that Pancit Canton stock is doing a V-shaped recovery after dropping to 6-7 pesos. So congratulations. So ako naman, focus ako sa ibang winners. Now you cannot catch everything. So congratulations to Monde. So natakot talaga tayo sa downgrade ni foreign broker dyan. And I expect more people to downgrade, kaya nga iniiwasan ko. So I want to catch Monde lower, pero wala hindi tumama. I'm looking at around 4-5 pesos, which is near the target ng foreign broker. Of course it did happen, so not for me. Bloom is also down, URC, AGI. Of course, Chelsea Logistics enhanced its online booking system of its subsidiaries to simplify the booking experience of its passengers. It's close higher 1.69%. Of course, the big news is really Dito. After getting an anchor, or at least an investor at 1 peso the past week. Dito continues to rally. Congratulations. So let's see if this run is sustainable. I'm monitoring it. So pwede trade, but yung volume wise kasi I really don't want to I don't want to be the one influencing, lalo kung naiwan na ako ng presyo. It's not my style. I don't need to trade every day. So third quarter, so if you notice, we seldom do some trading. Most of my volume went to MPI early this year at 350, and yun nga, during that time no one was buying, and kalaban ko nun foreigners. So eventually was able to exit MPI at a hefty gain. Talagang binomba natin yan with volume. Conviction buy yan. And I remember people asking me, why buy MPI? It's a laggard. Chu. Right now, it's now delisted. It went to as high as 520. So, was able to exit around near 5. Hindi ko na sinagad yan. Of course, shifted to another alpha. If you're following this channel for quite some time, you all know naman sino yung alpha play natin. And GSMI is also one of our top picks early this year, 110. I remember buying GSMI before. After that Diego acquisition, of course, GSMI flew to close to as high as 160. No? Doon tayo naka-exit, no? And shifted. No? So remember before, no? People ask me why buy GSMI. You should buy Costco, no? So there's nothing wrong, no? In this kind of market, ang daming quality names. It's just a matter of when, no? So nagkakataon yung mga binibili natin, sumasabay yung mga institutional investors, no? So minsan sineswerte rin talaga tayo, no? Minsan we are a walking cheat code, no? Binubulungan ko na kayo, no? Minsan yung Ali, no? When Ali dropped to as low as 24 pesos, sabi ko naman it's definitely a conviction buy, no? And right now Ali also went to as high as 30, no? So the story there is when Ali dropped to as low as 23.50, around that level, 24 pesos, a fund sold their position, and alam kong paubos na yun, no? So hindi naman tayo madamat sa information, we share it to our viewers here, no? Yun, nagrally na. AC is of course a range, the GT Cap, no? We bought that around 400, 390 early this year, tapos sinasabi ng mga viewers natin, no? I agree with you that it's undervalued, but when will it go up, no? So it's a challenging environment, no? So right now GT Cap is also up close to 52-week high of 500 something, no? So it's about picking the right companies at the right time, no? Ang daming bargain hunting right now, no? So there's nothing wrong with DNL, no? So the question there is, when will DNL go up, no? Balik natin yung tanong sa viewers natin na who bought DNL, no? Of course, if you're buying DNL, no, you should have a longer patience there, no? In fact, investing is a marathon, not a sprint, no? If you are forcing yourself to a trade tapos magtatanong na when will it go up, no? Then there's the problem there, no? The problem is the person, no? Dapat pala pagkabili niya lumilipad na kaagad, no? Problema na nila yun, no? Anyway, Mega World is also planning to develop a residential condominium with an electric vehicle charging facility in Metro Manila. So of course they are strengthening their ESG component in Mega World, no? So Mega World is consolidating near 2 pesos right now. By the way, no, Viviant Energy, Vina Energy, and Aboitiz Power's subsidiary, which is Aboitiz Renewable, also partnered for the development and operation of their 200 megawatt wind power plant in Samar, FYI. Philinvest Rate secures also green certification from the IFC, which is the International Finance Corporation, no? Parang sister na to ng World Bank, no? For their 6 properties. Cebu Landmasters also expects the development of its economic housing brand, Casamira, in Luzon to commence by mid-2024. This is also one of those stocks na undervalued talaga, but no one wants it, no? So talagang stock picking is an art, no? So that's the role of investor relations. So you translate numbers into good story, no? Kung wala kang very solid investor relations program, then yung company mo walang may alam, no? Globe, by the way, you know, is also partnering with the Intellectual Property Office for the of the Philippines to establish a platform against content piracy. FYI lang. FGen is also planning to start the operation of its offshore liquefied natural gas terminal in Batangas before the end of the year. FYI lang, no? So SEC is also, by the way, no, supporting the lower taxes on stock transaction to boost local equities activity and liquidity. So among the region, we are one of the highest, no? So by reducing some fees talaga, it can attract investors, no? So sabi ni Remolo ng off-cycle interest rate increase is also possible before their November 16 meeting, which is prompted by upside risk to inflation, no? Our passcode for today is BSP, no? Talagang yan yung natin ngayon, no? Hadlang, no? I hope there's a quarter window dressing this week, no? By the way, no, BPI is planning to launch a bond offering to raise at least 5 billion under its 100 billion debt program to finance its expansion. FYI lang, So again, thank you very much for listening. Stay safe. Bye.